Ito ang latest chika, actress inaming hindi siya pinili ni aktor. Ang sakit ng nararamdaman niya ngayon. Ito nga ang pag-amin niya na talagang nakakaiyak. Sabi niya, it hurts when you give your best and it still wasn't enough. Masakit kapag ginawa mo ang lahat, pero hindi pa rin ikaw ang pinili. When you stayed, when you understood, when you forgave, pero sa huli ikaw pa rin yung naiwan. And the hardest part, walang makakita kung gaano kasakit because the heartbreak doesn't always look broken. Sometimes it look like silence. Sometimes it look like okay lang ako kahit hindi naman talaga. If it hurts, it means you cared. And if it hurts, it means you love deeply. At hindi kasalanan ng magmahal ng totoo, hindi ba? And one day, the same heart that's breaking right now will beat again without heaviness.